Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Winter Works. First up, let's go straight over to Skyforce.
Here you can see the plane has been taken off the ride to go into storage for the winter months.
Now, when our engineers do this, they have to be really precise, otherwise there's a risk that the plane could fall off and get damaged.
So the infusion trains are now going back on the track. Let's go and see what they're doing.
Feeding through the safety rope. We put this in the very unlikely chance of the tow bar pins failing. Setting up the cable clamp, we use this to stop the cable from removing itself. Here we have another mechanical engineer knocking in the seat hanger pin.
This huge crane is lifting the motor off the ground to go back into revolution.
Video, we're going to announce the winner of the Big Dipper. So a huge congratulations to Neil. We will be in touch with how to claim your prize. Now that's it for this week, but stay tuned.